In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Venmo bank transfer. Step-by-step guide. If you've sent a bank transfer and need to stop it, timing is everything. Many transfers move quickly, so the best path is to contact Venmo through their official support channels right away. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and how to reach the right team using either your web browser or the Venmo app. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Venmo support. From the results, head to the Venmo Help Center and look for the Contact Us page. This is the hub that lists all the ways to get assistance. On that page, find the section labeled Connect with Support. That's where you'll see your options to message or call the team. If you prefer to chat online, choose the option to message them. You can start a conversation from the web or switch to the Venmo app if that's easier for you. Chat support in the app is available between 8 a.m. and 10 p.m. Central Time, which is great for getting help throughout most of the day. Using the app, open Venmo, go to Get Help, then tap Chat with Us. This takes you straight to a live agent when available. Keep your app notifications on so you don't miss replies. If the queue is busy, stay in the conversation thread. Leaving and rejoining can push you back. If you'd rather talk to someone directly, you can call support from the Contact Us page. Phone support is listed as available every day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Time. Hours can vary, so use what's shown on that page when you're reaching out. Be ready to verify your account for security. When you connect with support, explain clearly that you want to cancel a Venmo bank transfer. Share the essential details they'll need, like the date, amount, and whether it's still showing as pending in your app. If you have a transaction reference or transfer ID, have that handy too. Keep your explanation brief and specific so the agent can act quickly. If the transfer has already completed, ask them what options remain and what they recommend next. A few tips to help. Reach out as soon as you realize you need to cancel, since speed improves your chances. Keep your app open to monitor status changes and save any confirmation or case numbers the agent gives you. That's it. Use the Help Center's Contact Us page, choose message or call, and talk to support about canceling your transfer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you resolve it quickly.